Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me Tips with Dave. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at December affiliate marketing results. So if you're interested in understanding how to get started with affiliate marketing in 2024, then this video is for you. I'm going to share my personal strategy. I do this on the side as a side hustle. I do have a full-time job. My results are not typical. I'm just saying all of this right in the beginning so that you guys understand that the strategy that I'm about to share with you is for you guys to implement. If you don't take action, you're definitely not going to see results. But affiliate marketing is a solid skill set to have when moving forward in 2024. So let's hop onto my computer and share with you a little bit more. All right, guys, here I am on my laptop. And before I go ahead and share with you the entire strategy, how it has been working, what is December results for me, but first and foremost, I also would like to share with you the entire 2023 results so that you can see that this strategy makes sense working and moving forward. So a little bit of a backstory. If you're here for the first time on this channel, I want to thank you for joining. Thank you for being here because obviously you are interested in affiliate marketing. This channel is all about making money online, but more than anything else, it is about learning the skill sets that help you pave the way for your dreams to come true. Now, if that's affiliate marketing, if that's trading, or if that's something else that I do in the future, this channel is going to share with you those skill sets that I teach. So the main ones that I'm focusing on are two, which is all to do with affiliate marketing, is advertising and copywriting. These are the two skill sets that is a must have in marketing moving forward. So if you're interested in that, then hit that subscribe button and the bell notification because I'm going to share with you exactly my strategy. So a little bit of a backstory. As I said before, I got started quite some time. I had my successes, I had my failures, but at the end of the day, I learned a few things that made sense for me. Now, personally, as I said before, I do have a day job and I do this as a side hustle. But the whole point for me is to save time in doing the efforts of affiliate marketing, using the skill sets, and still having time to go about living my life, doing my, doing my day-to-day activities, which I want to keep up to date for myself more than anything else. So that is the key thing to me. I need to save time. And in order for me to do that, there's a lot of automation that's done and a lot of skill sets that I put into place every day so that I do have that time freedom to be able to do what I like to do. That being said, I'm going to get into the strategy and share with you like it as you can see on the screen at the moment. Basically, it has two steps, the entire strategy that I have. And by the way, guys, at any point of time, if you do want this strategy, there's going to be a link in the description, and it's also the first link in the comment section so that you can get access to the strategy if you want. So at any point of time, if you are interested in getting my support, in being a part of my private Facebook group where I help you one-on-one on this also, then it is all there. I've shared it out, I've laid it out in a simple course that you can follow. And the strategy works, and I'm going to show you, I'm giving you guys the proof in this video. So it has two steps. The first one is a cash flow generating step, as I call it, because the whole purpose of that is for me to get commissions. So why do I do that? The reason why I do that is, firstly, I believe that it's going to help you, because when you see those commissions coming in, first and foremost, you gain the confidence. The second reason why I do it is because I personally use paid advertising. I don't use free advertising. I document everything on this channel, but I don't use free advertising at any point of time in my business to actually build my business. It's focused on paid advertising. Everything that comes for free is just a documentation and increasing in my authority in this space and getting to know, like, and trust me. It's building a relationship with my customers who are doing the course, obviously, but at the same time also everybody else, right? So that being said, obviously I needed a way to leverage, as I said, my time, and this whole strategy takes me literally 30 minutes every single day to do. It makes sense. And the first step is purely cash flow because of this, okay? Because I need to make sure that I'm generating a cash flow in order for me to then use that budget for paid advertising in step two, and building my asset, my email list, and writing my emails and everything else, and having other affiliate products which I do share on my email list. So this is how it works. It goes all together. As you can see, it's a smooth flow, and it's been working for me the entire year of 2023. Now, when I share my results right now, the main focus here, obviously, these are my results. They're not typical. I can't guarantee you any sales. But the point of these two steps is very strategic. I'm not here to, fluff it up and give you the hype and say that you're going to make, X amount of money and stuff like that. No, the reality is that you're learning two skill sets of advertising and copywriting with this strategy. And if you do those two, you learn those two skill sets, that's where you can improve your conversions and start to generate even more commissions by just improving your skills along the way. That's the whole purpose of this channel. That's the whole purpose of why I'm creating these videos. So that being said, I use System.io in step number 2 as a tool to be able to collect also some data. So I'm going to share with you from everywhere that I have basically earned affiliate commissions and how much have I earned so far in the month of December. So let's hop on to that and share with you exactly. So first and foremost, as I said, I'm going to sign into System.io. I'm not going to count these commissions, but in the month of December, basically I've made, I will share with you in a second. If I go to funnels, you'll see this is my main course funnel that I have right here. And if I go to this month of December, you will see that I basically made 23 sales and basically 15 euros. 23 sales because I gave some of the products for free, but right now there's nothing available for free. It's just €1, by the way, and the €1 is not even for me. It's more for you guys to understand that this exists. I utilize this for advertising again, and I just put it back into my business. So it's $15 there. So just let's put that aside and put $15 so that you know that that's also what I've earned in December from System.io. And we will go to the affiliate dashboard because I do promote affiliate products as well in System.io, and we'll only look at the month of December. And you can see I made 3 sales right here in the month of December. So that's an additional $13. So I'm going to put that $13 here. So that is totally from System.io. That's it for the month of December. Remember, I'm using this, and now over the last year, all I've been doing is following this strategy, guys. And majority of the year, I was just following step 1, and I'm still always continuously doing. Step 1 doesn't stop. Once you start, it always continues. But now step 2 is starting to also generate these kind of commissions. Again, I'm not going to go to details in the strategy because link is in the description. If you want to get the entire strategy, the entire course, I cover it very much in depth. Let me just show you guys so that you see. You will not be able to get this, otherwise, but I cover this entire strategy each and every way. Plus I have separate 2 other modules to help you with the conversion itself. So everything is laid out here. You can find it there, or you can join my free Facebook group, and you'll be able to get access to also the strategy there. So it's up to you how you get started. So that's System.io. This is the total amount that I've got from System.io. Let's go ahead and look at my Legion secrets. Okay, I'm going to go to that because that's part of step 1, and we're going to be looking at the commissions that I have here with my Legion secrets. Okay guys, so I'm here in my back office of my Legion secrets, and I just want to show you this is my back office. If I don't know where else to show you, I will share with you in a second. But as you guys can see, I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 sales, basically recurring sales. So that means this is monthly recurring income. That's $5 per sale. So additional $40 on my Legion secrets. That's how much I've earned from these platforms itself. And now we look at Lovely Warrior Plus, because as you guys can see in my strategy, I share product on the step 1, and then on step 2, I also have my entire funnel that works and generates and generates commissions in Warrior Plus. What is Warrior Plus? Just to give you guys an understanding, Warrior Plus is a network that I use which hosts all my affiliate products and also pays me out here on Warrior Plus. So that's where I'm basically is my hub for my affiliate commissions. So now I have tracking. I'm not going to show you guys the tracking right now, but in case you want to see, as you see, I have from emails, everything, all the tracking is there. So let's just look at, the month of December, and we're going to put go so that we get that. And you can see it's $302.14. So that we add now $302 plus 14 cents. So that is the total amount of earnings that I've got in December from all the 23 offers, basically 23 sales that I made. Now from step 1, just to give you guys a full transparency, from step 1, I've earned $268. So this step right here, this first step is generated $268 in commissions. Okay. And then if I look at the others, so everything else is earned by the emails. So you can see my emails are converting. System is my funnel itself that it's converting as well. And also another from a thank you page. This is also from my funnel that you can see it's converting. So those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 or 6 sales. 1, 2, 3, 4, five sales from my funnel itself. So that's why it's 302. These are my total commissions that I've earned. So what is my grand total? My grand total is 370. Now what I haven't done right here is my cost of all of this is only $30 a month, which I spend on my Legion Secrets, which is my number one traffic source. So my net profit that I've earned in the month of December is $340.14. I'm being very transparent with this number because it is a way to get, scale up. Once you are able to get this consistently, and now we're going to see about the consistently, then you can now utilize it for step two. And that's what I'm trying to show you, that this is possible to scale up. The strategy is very scalable if you take the effort of actually working. Now, how has this strategy worked for me? Let's go to year to date. Okay, so from January, let's see how much I've earned with this strategy. So I've earned a total of $2,918 with this strategy, guys. With this strategy, this is only thing I do with affiliate marketing, and you can see it's almost $3,000 in sales, sorry, in commissions, and over $5,000 in sales that I've made. 211 items have been sold. So all these are the products. Mainly one of the products has been my major one, right? And this is the first year of implementing this strategy. So I'm pretty much sure that this next year is going to be much better than this. This is just me documenting my entire journey. So does answering a few questions. One, does this strategy of affiliate marketing work? Yes, it does, because otherwise I wouldn't have consistent commissions. Again, I want to show you just looking at the sales report. If we go to January till December, just so that you guys can see, I started this strategy basically in the month of March. So in the month of March is the first month that I implemented this strategy. So from March to December, every single month I've been consistently earning and nothing less than $200, as you can see. Once I hit that 200, well, full month, so from March to April, you can see April was $200, May was 300, June was 379, then 300, then 289. So nothing less. 400 in September, which was my best month so far, but nothing less than $200, guys, per month. This strategy is getting now. Obviously, this is, as I said, this is the first year, and I too have been documenting my journey. I'm implementing this strategy, and then I'm teaching it to you guys. There's nothing that's shared on this channel that I don't personally do. That is why you can see this strategy in place, how it's been earning commissions, and then this is just on Warrior Plus. I haven't counted, System.io, and I haven't counted the amount that I've earned. But basically, with Mileage and Secrets, I've earned another $449, as you guys can see right here. So that is additional. So say it's past $3,000 in commissions, because just the transactions, if you see this entire year, that itself is 2,918 plus another 400 here. So it's past 300, past 3,000. And plus this year, if we look at this, let's use all time so that you guys can see it, plus $34 over here. So that being said, I'm just showing you guys realistically what's possible, even to get started with minimal cost, obviously, because I have minimal cost here, and following a very structured strategy. I'm not here for the, shiny object syndrome. I'm not jumping from one offer to the other. I'm just simply following one strategy, which has two simple steps. One is a cash flow generating step, and then I take that cash flow and I reinvest it into paid advertising, and I do it right here on Warrior Plus. Let me show you guys so that you can actually see. And in my purchase history, you will be able to see I'm buying traffic every single month. Why am I buying traffic every single month? Because I want this flow of people who are viewing my offer, and now I'm getting sales from step two very consistently. So that being said, all of this, I hope you guys got an idea of whether it makes sense to start affiliate marketing in 2024. Not from me, for you. Then secondly, I do want to show you that the strategy works. And if you want more information on the strategy, there's a link below. You can get it and you can move forward that way. The other thing that I want to mention is, at the end of the day, affiliate marketing, with the way I'm doing it, is focused on skills, guys. It's focused on skills so that we leverage automation, we leverage our skills, and we start to improve our conversions to get better results. So this year is all about conversions and improving the skill set that we've already implemented in the first year of 2023. So if you're getting started with 2024, make sure that you're giving yourself at least 12 months, in my opinion, to not only collect the data, but actually implement the entire strategy so that you see consistency in your actions, improve your skill sets, and then we can focus on conversion. So there is definitely a path that I am following and that you can follow as well. Again, I cannot guarantee you results, but it is possible to do it just 30 minutes a day and ultimately supplement your income from your job if you want, just by scaling up this kind of strategy. So guys, that being said, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. This is the first video that we have this year, this month. I am going to be making weekly videos. So if you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, because I put 3 videos out every single week on this channel. Guys, thanks for watching. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you guys on the next video, which is on Monday.